Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And yes, we are using CNN. I try to use, non-biased sources, but this really isn't a political issue, so I really don't have to worry about CNN trying to be fake news on this. Astronomers find the closest black hole to Earth 1,000 light years away. Black hole has been discovered 1,000 light years away from Earth, making it the closest black hole to our solar system ever found. Now, 1,000 light years, that's a fair way. We're not, I'm never going to get that far in my lifetime. That's a long ways away. But still, that's relatively close in the grand scheme of the universe or the galaxy on a smaller scale. It's not that far away. We'll eventually get there, I hope. Although the black hole itself is invisible, it has two bright companion stars that give away the hiding spot of the black hole. The two stars can be seen with the naked eye on a dark, clear night in the southern hemisphere. So, for most of my audience, which probably lives in the US, maybe in somewhere in Europe, we can't see it. Which, that's kind of, we wouldn't be able to see it anyway, but we might be able to see those two companion stars if we were in the southern hemisphere. So if we have any Australians that have seen it, maybe someone in South America, maybe South Africa, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to see if you've actually seen it yourself. Astronomers observe the star system. I've tried to figure out how to pronounce this. The telescom. Okay, I'm not gonna try to pronounce that because I'm terrible at pronouncing names, and especially if I've never seen him before. I'm not very good at pronouncing certain names of places or people. Notice that one of the stars was completing an orbit around a hidden object every 40 Earth days. The second star is further out from the first star and the black hole. So it looks like to me that it's the black hole, then the first star, and then the second star. It makes sense. Revealed that they were actually seeing a triple system that included a black hole, not just a double star system. Observation was made using the MPG-ASO 2.2 meter telescope at the European Southern Observatory in La Silla Observatory in Chile. A study published Wednesday in the Journal of Astronomy and Astrophysics described the triple system. Quote, "We were totally surprised when we realized that this is the first stellar system with a black hole that can be seen with the unaided eye," which is the naked eye, just a fancier term for that. Peter Hedreva. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm not sure. The co-author Emeritus? I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm pronouncing a lot of things wrong in this video. That's not good. Scientists at the Academy of Science of the Czech Republic in Prague, in a statement. Because this black hole doesn't have any interactions with its surroundings, it's truly invisible. That's how we usually detect black holes. That's how we usually detect black holes. There's so much gravity going on in that black hole that it's pulling light. So usually we see it by light being bent, which isn't normal. So we think, hey, maybe they could be a black hole. And that's usually how we find them. That makes it one of the first stellar mass black holes found that doesn't interact violently with its environment. Studying the star obtaining it signified the presence of the black hole. Quote, "An invisible object with a mass of at least 4 times that of the Sun can only be a black hole," said Thomas Ravinus, I think is how you pronounce it. Lead study author of the European Southern Observatory scientist in a statement. Years, astronomers have found a couple dozen black holes in our Milky Way galaxy, announced their presence by disruptive, violent interactions with their surroundings and releasing detectable X-rays. Of a silent black hole could be the first of many to come in the future. They believe that over the course of our galaxy's lifetime, a multitude of stars have collapsed and created black holes. Now astronomers just have to find them. Now that's the hard part. They're not that easy to find, but apparently we can find them, so it's just going to be difficult to find them, but not impossible. Quote, "There must be hundreds of millions of black holes out there we know about and only very few. Knowing what to look for should put us in a better position to find them," said Ravinus said. Researchers believe this newly detected one is so close to Earth it just, quote, the tip of the existing iceberg. Now, this is a very interesting article, but that's all we have time for today. I've got to get articles prepared for the podcast tomorrow so I can, what said I was going to do. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Check out my Discord, Twitch, and all that fun stuff. And around this time this video goes up, I'll be live on my sports and gaming channel. I will leave a link to that in the description. Go check it out. Of course, Overrace Gamer, I'm going to be on his channel tomorrow at 7:30 Eastern. Go check that out. It's going to be a fun podcast. But either way, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And of course, later tomorrow with the podcast. See you guys then.